Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the KABA 132-512886 kit. This is a replacement battery pack for their, what they call their M unit, for the ILCO 79 lock series. Recently, these have become popular, and I'm not sure why. For years, didn't have anyone really ask for these, and then recent, there's been a handful of requests. This video is to serve really as visual and dimensional evidence of the item, to help you determine if this is what you need. A couple of AA batteries are inside of there. Overall length, just shy of 2 inch. Overall height, about 1 1/4 inches. Thickness of this battery pack is about 11/16 or so. Has that very small 3-pin connector that's here. There is an image down below that shows this. Let's switch to the screen view now and let's take a closer look at the supporting information. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. Okay, now here's the battery pack that we are looking at. What we have here is M unit rechargeable battery pack, used in ILCO 79 lock series. There is a link here to the cut sheet. That cut sheet is a cut sheet of the 79 series. And this, of course, is there to help you determine if this is the battery pack for this lock. And that's what the 79 series looks like. Okay? We have some images, speaking of looks like, of the battery pack. Then that connector that's there. We have another image of the connector as well, showing the white, black, and red wires. Now finally, there is a link below this video here to the manufacturer's page. And from there you can pull up not only all of the KABA access control material that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the current product catalog and several other encyclopedic documents, parts manuals, prior catalogs, things of that nature. Let's wrap up this video on camera. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. In conclusion, this video was to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the 132-512-886 79 series M unit battery pack. If you have any questions on this or any other KABA product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.